Hi everyone, my name is Lauren with ProLine range hoods, and today I'm going to be going over one of our most frequently asked questions about which size range hood to purchase. So the answer to that question is actually pretty simple. For indoor applications, if you've got a 30-inch wide range, you'll want to go with a 36-inch wide range hood. So that leaves you with 3 extra inches on each side, giving you that full coverage. But for outdoor applications, you'll want to go 2 sizes larger. So if you've got a 48-inch wide grill, you'll want to go with a 60-inch wide range hood to make sure you've got that full coverage for all the outdoor elements. When it comes to selecting the amount of CFM you need, go check out our video that's in the description below that'll walk you through the process on how to select the right amount of CFM for your range hood. I tried to put that in the simplest terms as possible, but if you do have any additional questions, please feel free to reach out at support@ProLineRangeHoods.com, or you can call us as well. Our number is 877-901-5530. Thanks.